Warm welcome to my channel, ladies and gentlemen. Again, this is second lecture related to Casio fx-991ES plus. So if you haven't seen the previous lecture, then I recommend you to watch that video first. So here I begin that this scientific calculator is good at dealing some basic fractional calculation, like suppose if we divide 6 by 5 by 8 by 9, then we'll get this result. And we can even do subtraction and multiplication fractionally, and I'll be skipping this part and coming back to mixed fraction. Like scientific calculator can also deal with this thing, multiplying to mixed fraction, we'll get this result. And this calculator is good at dealing Surds like calculation. Suppose 5√2, and we need to press this right side arrow in order to get out from this root, under root. Otherwise it will remain here. Suppose we press plus, then it will remain under this root. So we need to press this right side button arrow, and then we'll press add and plus 6√2, and we'll get 11√2. And this is Surds calculation. And it can even deal with scientific notation, like suppose if we press 5 into 10 to the power 25 and pressing this and equal, after pressing this ENG button, this will shift to different scientific notation, like 15 to 10 to the power 24 and 50,000 into 10 to the power 21. And this scientific calculator is good at dealing logarithmic and ln function. Suppose I'll be taking you to my copy to make you understand well about this concept. Now suppose when someone asks us find the value of ln a, and someone asks us find the value of log b, then finding it ln, we automatically understand that its base is e, and finding it log, we automatically understand that its base is 10. Now the value of e, as we know that it is 2.718, and when someone says that find the value of ln 2.718, then it should be 1, because here the e, the base e, the value of base e is 2.718 itself. So we'll be confirming it with the help of scientific calculator. Now pressing this ln button, and here the value is 2.718. we have got the value 0.999, which is approximately equal to 1. Okay, when someone asks us to find the value of log 10, then we'll see that here the base is 10 and we need to raise it to 10, so the value should be 1. Okay, and we can just confirm it with scientific calculator, like log 10 is equal to 1. And when someone asks us that find the value of log 64 base 2, then we can't solve it, because we have only two things available here, that log and ln. The base of log is 10 and base of ln is e. So we can do it with this trick, and we'll open this thing, log 64 base 10 divided by log 2 base 10. Then from this scientific calculator we'll find the value of log 64. We know that here base is 10 because of log, so its value is 1.806, neglecting further terms. And value of log 2 is 0.301. Dividing these two things, we get 1.806 divided by 0.301. we've got 6. So we can say that value of this log is 6. So we can write it this way, here LHS equals to RHS. So thank you guys for watching my video. If you like the stuffs and the videos which I'm making these days, please do subscribe to my channel to motivate me make further more videos. Thank you.